Hi everyone, today we will be reading a story called A Bird Named Fern. Now go ahead and take a look. Do you think this is fiction or nonfiction? If you said fiction, you are correct. This is a make-believe story and the genre is fantasy. The essential question today is, what can you see in the sky? So if you look at those clouds, do you see something in the sky? I kind of see a boat, or maybe even a teacup. Okay, so we're going to have fun reading this story today. Ready? Begin. A Bird Named Fern. Ready? Begin. Little Fern was always full of questions. She wanted to know about everything in the world. Ready? Begin. One day, Fern saw something up in the sky. What is that big white boat doing in the sky? She asked herself. I want to find out. Do you see the boat up there? I see it. I see it too. Ready? Begin. It would be great to ride on that big white boat, Fern said. So she stretched her wings and took off. Ready? Begin. Fern's wings helped her climb up, up, up. But when she got close to the boat, she was surprised. The boat looked like a fluffy bed. Can you see how it looks like a fluffy bed? I can too. Ready? Begin. Fern was sleepy and wanted to rest. So she leapt on the bed. But she fell right through it. Ready? Begin. I see another bed, said Fern. I will try to land on that one. But the same thing happened again. I'd better go home, cried Fern. Maybe Mom and Dad can explain this. It's just taking a minute. One moment. Whoops. Let's go back. Here we go. Ready? Begin. So Fern began to fly home. As she did, the beds turned dark gray. Then it started to rain. Poor Fern was soaked when she got home. Where were you? Asked Mom and Dad. Fern told them all about her trip. First, we will dry you off, said Mom. Then we will teach you about clouds, added Dad. And that is what they did. And at the end it says, what did the clouds look like to Fern? So have you ever looked up in the sky and seen different shapes with the clouds? I know I have. Sometimes it's fun to just watch the clouds float by. Okay, everyone, I will see you soon.